What is the difference between distance and displacement? We're going to find out how they're different in this problem. A delivery scooter drives 240 meters east, then 180 meters west, then 100 meters east, and finally 40 meters west. What is the total distance traveled? What is the magnitude and direction of the displacement? Now, distance is the total ground covered. So all we do here is to add the four numbers. So 240 plus 180 plus 100 plus 40. Adding all the four of these numbers together, we get 560 meters. So that is the total distance traveled. Now for displacement, we need to take into account the direction that the scooter is moving. The 240 meters is going east and the 100 is going east. So let me combine those first. So 240 plus 100 is 340. So this scooter is going east 340 meters. Then I'm going to combine the 180 plus the 40 because that's how far it's going west. So 180 plus 40 is 220 meters west. All right. So because it's going in different directions, they're going to partly cancel each other out. So 340 minus 220 gives us 120. So the displacement is going to be 120, and because it's going west or it's going east more, it's going to be 120 east, and it's going to be in meters.